How to make the most of 24 hours. Your perfect day. We all have only 24 hours. But why do some people manage to do everything, while others constantly fail to do anything? Today I will show you how to use every hour of your day wisely. First, change your mindset. You don't have no time, you have priorities. Your life is what you spend your hours on. Tip 1. Plan ahead. Every evening, write down the 3 most important things to do tomorrow. This will reduce procrastination and give you focus. Start your day right. How you start your morning is how your day will go. Tip 2. Morning ritual. Wake up 30 minutes earlier. Meditate, read, exercise. This is a boost of energy, not a waste of time. Time is not elastic. Don't try to do everything. Do the most important things. Tip 3. Pomodoro technique. 25 minutes of complete concentration, 5 minutes of rest. Repeat 4 times, and you've already worked effectively for 2 hours. The enemies of time, here they are. Social media, TV series, idle chatter. Tip 4. Minimize distractions. Turn off notifications. Set a timer on TikTok. 3 hours a day on your feed is 45 days a year. Imagine how much you could get done. Reflection is key. In the evening, ask yourself, what did I do well? What could I improve? Tip 5. Sum up your day. Even 5 minutes in the evening will help you become a better version of yourself every day. Your 24 hours are your capital. Use them wisely and time will start working for you.